find him. I'll have to saddle a horse.
Gordon's horse is right outside.
I don't know how long it will take me to
Oh,
find
yes,
him.
you do. I'll give you just 1 hour. If you're not back then...
Black Whip's inside the house.
Discovered this much. Barbara Meredith does know who the Black Whip is, or at least she knows where to find him.
Then we better follow her next time.
After last night, the Black Whip is sure to be smart enough to figure out some way to keep in touch with her.
He's a slick one, all right.
There must be some clue. You were in the room with him. Didn't you see anything that might identify him?
All I could see was that gun he was holding. Looked as big as a cannon. If I hadn't have thrown the boot at that lamp, we'd have been goners.
Black Whip's boot. That might be a clue. Did you get the maker's name? We can trace it if you did.
I only had it in my hand a minute. I did notice, though, it seemed awfully small, no bigger than a woman's.
A woman's? Of course, it must be. How dumb I've been.
About what?
Barbara Meredith. She's the Black Whip.
She couldn't be. The Black Whip's got to be a man. He's outshot us, outrode us, and outfought us. Stopped us at every turn.
She has because she's smart. I happen to know she's a good horsewoman and a fine shot. Now, I'm convinced she's the Black Whip. We've got to get rid of her. And you can dress one of your men up as the Black Whip and help us fight against statehood.
Why, everybody in the territory knows that horse and outfit.
That's right, so we can't kill her until we find out where she hides the horse and outfit. Now, here's what you do. You go to the Meredith Ranch. When you get her, you let me know.
Yes?
This is 10 Point. Vic just left for the ranch. You'd better have a good story ready. The way he talks, maybe he's beginning to think you're the Black Whip.
Thinks I'm the Black Whip?
We think so, too. Fire on. We better clear out of here. Take her to the hideout below Mesa Peak. I'll meet you there after I see the boss. He may want to question her himself. You stay here. Someone may come out to see why she doesn't answer the telephone. Whoever it is, finish him off. We don't want her trail picked up.
All right, mister. Drop that gun. Where's Miss Meredith?
Try and find out.
The next one will be dead center.
Wait.
All right. Talk fast. Where's Miss Meredith?
Harris took her to the hideout shack below Mesa Peak. The boss thinks she's the Black Whip.
He does, huh? Who's the boss?
I don't know. I don't know, honest. Baxter hired me just for this job. You'd better be ready to talk when Baxter gets here.
If I knew who the Black Whip was, I wouldn't tell you.
Quit stalling. We know you're the whip.
You're mistaken, gentlemen. The Black Whip.
What's going on in there?
The Black Whip got here. He's inside fighting with Mac.
You mean to say the Meredith girl isn't the Black Whip?
No.
What are you figuring to do with that explosive?
I'm gonna blow up that shack.
You'd have to get too close. They're apt to drill you. Give me that stuff. You stay here and keep them pinned in the shack. I'll go up on top of that cliff and blast it down on them.
Right.
Thanks, Vic.
How did you know it was me?
I recognized your voice, and I know where the outfit came from. How did you find it?
I was battling the man they left at your place. He fell through the panel, down the steps, and into the cave. Before he died, he told me where you were and that they believed you were the Black Whip. I thought I'd change their mind.
Lucky for me, you did.
Sounds like a landslide.